So today we'll be talking about how to create a basic wireframe in Figma. Wireframes are backbone of great design. So let's create a basic wireframe in Figma. Let's jump right in. You can download your Figma via your browser or make use of it directly on your browser. Then you go ahead to pick new design file. So this is the interface of our design. I took a screenshot of my Instagram app and this is what we're creating for our wireframe. So I drag and drop it here and I pick a frame I'll be using for the design. I pick iPhone 16 Pro. So we'll be designing the wireframe of this Instagram page, and everything we'll be using is rectangle. We'll be making use of rectangle for every of the wireframe. So you pick your rectangle from your toolbar and you drag, then you go ahead to pick another rectangle for your profile. So I'm trying to adjust it to give me a perfect circle that I want. So I pick another rectangle for the icon. So I'm using rectangle basically for everything. Okay, so I go ahead to adjust my size, the size of the rectangle that I want. Okay, so I want to draw another rectangle for the action button, which is the boost post. So I'm trying to adjust it. Then I draw another thin line. Okay, this will actually give me a perfect idea of how my design is going to look like. So I'm going to fast forward it from here, and I'm basically using rectangle for everything. So I'm using rectangle for my icons as well. So you can duplicate the rectangles just to make your work quite easy and fast. Then I'm using rectangle for the icons as well, the love, which is like the comment and the save icon. So I make use of rectangle for the circle there as well, and I adjusted it to the perfect size that I want. And okay, so I think I'm done with the rectangle. So we'll go on with our text, and so I'm trying to align it to the middle. Then I change the size and I pick a different font type for the post, just to make it quite different from the username. Okay, so I'll go on with the other text as well, and I duplicate the text and rewrite the text, and then I go ahead to change the size as well and the font type. Okay, so I'll go on to continue with my text, and it actually helps you when you want to do your high fidelity design. It actually makes it quite easy because you've done the wireframe. You know where exactly each of the text, image, icon, where is going to be. So it actually makes your design very fast. Very fast. So wireframe, the big picture of an idea, and it is important for you to learn if you are a UI UX designer or you want to design any proper website or mobile app. Okay, so for this wireframe, I actually make use of white instead of black. Yeah, I forgot to change it to black. So, but it's totally fine. I love it. So when you are recreating your own, you can always change the color to black. The frame color to black. Yeah. So I duplicated the text, then I go ahead to rewrite the text. So I go ahead to change my color type to make it more lighter, a little bit lighter than the name. And then I change the sizes as well to make it look much neater. So I go ahead to click on T, which is a shortcut for my text box. Then I go ahead to write the text. And so we use rectangles to represent our visual components, and we use text boxes to represent our text.